Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a Target RedCard. Start using your card today step by step clearly. Find your Target RedCard and keep it in front of you. Check the front of the card to confirm the name matches your identity. Turn the card over and locate the activation instructions on the back. Find the 16-digit card number on the front of the card. Locate the expiration date printed on the front of the card. Find the CVV security code on the back of the card near the signature area. Prepare a valid ID and your personal information in case verification is required. Decide whether you want to activate online, by phone, or through the Target app. For online activation, open a browser and go to the official Target website. Sign in to your Target account, or create one if you do not have an account yet. Navigate to your account settings and look for the RedCard section. Select the option that says Activate Card or Activate RedCard. Enter your card number exactly as shown on the card. Enter the expiration date and the CVV security code when prompted. Confirm your billing zip code and contact details to complete verification. Review the information on the screen and submit the activation request. Wait for the confirmation message that your RedCard is activated successfully. For phone activation, call the activation number printed on the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts and choose the option for card activation. Type in your card number using your phone keypad when asked. Provide your zip code or the last digits of your SSN if the system requests it. Listen for the confirmation that activation is complete and the card is ready to use. For app activation, install or open the Target app on your phone. Sign into the same Target account you want to link with the RedCard. Tap on Wallet or RedCard in the app menu, depending on your version. Choose Add RedCard and enter your card details to link it. Follow the in-app steps to confirm and finalize activation if prompted. Make a small test purchase or check your account status to ensure the card works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.